Imagine a military force that trains relentlessly, innovates constantly, and can react faster than any other in the world. Today, we dive into why Israel's military is considered the most effective fighting force on the planet, unmatched in strategy, technology, and precision. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see might just redefine how you view modern warfare. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating military forces on the planet, the Israel Defense Forces, or IDF. Many consider Israel's military among the best in the world, and there are multiple reasons why this reputation exists. From innovative technology to unmatched training, Israel has created a defense system that is both reactive and proactive, ensuring national security in one of the most volatile regions globally. Unlike many other militaries, the IDF operates under a unique approach that combines mandatory service, advanced technology, and a culture of rapid adaptation. Young men and women are conscripted into service, where they receive rigorous training that emphasizes both mental resilience and tactical skill. Beyond sheer numbers, the IDF focuses on specialized units that can deploy anywhere, anytime with precision. Whether it's counterterrorism, air defense, or cyber operations, Israel's military prepares for all possible scenarios. Their operational doctrine is built around flexibility, speed, and innovation. One of the most critical aspects of the IDF's effectiveness is how technology integrates into nearly every operation. From missile defense systems to cutting-edge drones, Israel doesn't just keep up with global military advancements, it often leads them. In this series, we'll break down exactly how Israel maintains such a formidable presence and why the world watches its moves closely. Israel's military success starts with strategy. The IDF doesn't rely solely on size, it relies on intelligence, preparation, and adaptability. Israel is a small nation surrounded by potential threats, making strategic planning essential for survival. Unlike larger countries that might focus on overwhelming force, Israel prioritizes precision and efficiency. Intelligence gathering plays a pivotal role. The Israeli intelligence community, including Mossad and Amen, ensures that commanders have real-time information about threats, allowing for rapid decision-making. Every military operation is meticulously planned with contingency plans ready for every scenario. Another critical element is the concept of reserve forces. Israel trains its citizens not only for active duty, but also as reserves, which can be mobilized quickly in times of crisis. This approach ensures that even in a sudden conflict, Israel can rapidly scale its operational capability. Moreover, Israel emphasizes combined arms operations, integrating air, land, and naval forces seamlessly. By synchronizing different branches, the IDF maximizes effectiveness while minimizing casualties. Their strategy also focuses on asymmetrical warfare. Israel develops tactics that allow smaller forces to counter larger, less technologically advanced adversaries successfully. The combination of intelligence, reserves, and innovative tactics ensures that Israel remains agile in the face of emerging threats, giving it a strategic edge that few militaries worldwide can match. Training in the IDF is another cornerstone of its effectiveness. Israel emphasizes not only physical preparedness, but also mental toughness. Every soldier undergoes rigorous drills designed to simulate real-world scenarios, ranging from urban warfare to desert combat. Beyond standard training, specialized units such as Sayeret Matkal and Shayetet 13 receive elite instruction in reconnaissance, hostage rescue, and covert operations. The training isn't limited to soldiers' active duty. The focus on lifelong skill retention ensures that reserves maintain combat readiness. Psychological resilience is a core component. Soldiers are taught to remain calm under pressure, make split-second decisions, and adapt to unexpected challenges. Leadership is cultivated at every level, with junior officers often given real responsibility early in their careers. Israel also leverages battlefield simulations and war games to continuously test soldiers' responses, preparing them for unpredictable conflicts. This constant focus on realistic scenarios ensures soldiers are not just physically fit, but tactically intelligent. Furthermore, cross-training is common. Infantry soldiers may learn basic cyber defense or drone operation, while Air Force personnel understand ground operations. This versatility allows units to operate independently if necessary. The IDF's training programs produce soldiers who can think critically, act decisively, and respond effectively to modern threats. It is this meticulous attention to training that sets Israel apart from other militaries, producing a force that is simultaneously disciplined, innovative, and fearlessly proactive. Technology plays a transformative role in Israel's military effectiveness. The country is known for developing systems that not only enhance defense, but redefine modern warfare. One of the most famous examples is the Iron Dome, a missile defense system capable of intercepting incoming rockets with remarkable precision. This system demonstrates Israel's commitment to minimizing civilian casualties while maintaining operational superiority. Beyond defense, Israel invests heavily in intelligence technology. Surveillance drones, satellite reconnaissance, and cyber warfare capabilities allow for a 360-degree operational awareness. Technology is also integrated into weaponry with advancements in guided missiles, artillery, and electronic warfare systems, giving Israel a critical edge. The military-industrial complex in Israel is closely tied to its national defense, fostering continuous innovation. Soldiers are trained to operate advanced tech from early stages of service, making them as capable in cyber operations as they are on the battlefield. Automation and AI are increasingly leveraged for intelligence analysis, threat prediction, and operational planning. Even small units can access cutting-edge technology, leveling the playing field against larger forces. The integration of tech isn't just about equipment, it's a cultural mindset. Israel approaches problems with a tech-first philosophy, always seeking to enhance human capability with innovation. This synergy of human skill and technological power makes the IDF not only highly effective, but also highly adaptive, able to respond to threats faster than almost any military worldwide. Israel's Air Force is widely regarded as one of the most advanced globally. The Israeli Air Force, IAF, operates with unmatched precision and strategic depth. Fighter jets like the F-35I Adir and F-16 variants are equipped with advanced avionics, stealth technology, and precision-guided weapons. However, Israel's air superiority goes beyond hardware. It's about operational doctrine and intelligence integration. Pilots are trained rigorously, simulating complex combat scenarios and joint operations with ground forces. Rapid response is a key capability. The IAF can launch precision strikes within minutes of detecting a threat. Surveillance and reconnaissance are integral, with drones providing continuous battlefield monitoring. This capability allows Israel to maintain control of airspace while minimizing collateral damage. The Air Force is also tightly coordinated with missile defense systems, ensuring a layered security network. Israel invests heavily in electronic warfare, allowing aircraft to jam enemy communications or mislead radar systems effectively. Air superiority gives Israel strategic flexibility, enabling rapid deployment, intelligence collection, and surgical strikes. Additionally, the Air Force emphasizes innovation, often testing new technologies and tactics in real-world scenarios. This combination of cutting-edge aircraft, advanced tech, and well-trained personnel ensures that Israel can dominate aerial engagements and provide unmatched support to ground and naval operations. The IAF isn't just a component of Israel's military, it's a force multiplier that amplifies the country's entire defense strategy. Ground forces are equally formidable and highly versatile. The IDF's infantry, armored units, and artillery are integrated into a cohesive system designed for speed, mobility, and precision. The Merkava tank, Israel's main battle tank, exemplifies this approach, combining firepower, armor protection, and troop transport capabilities. Urban warfare training is a priority, reflecting Israel's need to defend and operate within densely populated areas. Units are cross-trained for various combat scenarios, from conventional warfare to counterterrorism operations. Artillery and rocket systems are often integrated with intelligence networks, allowing precise targeting with minimal collateral damage. The IDF also employs special forces for high-risk missions capable of operating independently behind enemy lines or in hostile territory. Coordination between ground units and the Air Force enhances operational effectiveness, enabling rapid strikes and dynamic responses to battlefield developments. Logistics and communication are streamlined, ensuring units can move quickly and maintain sustained operations. Israel emphasizes adaptability, teaching commanders to make strategic decisions even under extreme pressure. Psychological readiness is emphasized, ensuring troops can maintain morale and operational efficiency in prolonged conflicts. Training technology and doctrine converge to make Israel's ground forces not only resilient but highly effective, capable of defending a small nation against larger adversaries while projecting power with precision when required. Naval forces are often less discussed but are crucial to Israel's defense strategy. The Israeli Navy protects coastal borders, secures shipping lanes, and executes special operations. Modern missile boats, submarines, and corvettes form the backbone of naval defense. Submarines equipped with advanced weaponry and intelligence gathering systems allow Israel to project power far from its shores. The Navy collaborates closely with intelligence agencies to detect and neutralize threats at sea. Special operations units such as Shayetet 13 conduct maritime raids, reconnaissance, and counterterrorism missions. This elite unit trains in diving, underwater demolitions, and stealth operations, capable of executing high-risk missions with precision. Coastal defense integrates missile systems and radar networks, ensuring a layered security approach. Israel's naval doctrine emphasizes mobility, rapid response, and technological superiority, reflecting the small but strategic nature of its coastline. Cooperation with air and ground forces enhances situational awareness and operational synergy, even in confined spaces such as the Mediterranean and Red Sea. Israel maintains control through superior strategy, intelligence, and technology. Naval capabilities complement the country's air and land defense, making the IDF a multi-dimensional force. The integration of advanced platforms, elite personnel, and strategic planning ensures Israel remains prepared for any maritime challenge, further cementing its reputation as one of the world's most capable militaries. Cyber and intelligence warfare are areas where Israel leads globally. Israel has turned digital defense into a core pillar of national security, creating specialized units such as Unit 8200. These teams operate at the intersection of cybersecurity, intelligence gathering, and electronic warfare. They monitor threats, prevent cyber attacks, and sometimes conduct offensive operations against hostile networks. Cyber capabilities extend beyond national defense. They enhance traditional military operations by providing real-time intelligence, disrupting enemy communications, and protecting critical infrastructure. Israel's focus on cybersecurity reflects the modern battlefield, where threats aren't always physical. Intelligence isn't just cyber-based. Human intelligence, a human entity, remains essential, providing insights that technology alone cannot capture. Israel's intelligence community emphasizes speed, accuracy, and actionable data, enabling military leaders to make informed decisions quickly. Surveillance, reconnaissance, and information dominance are integrated across all military branches, ensuring a seamless flow of information. This approach allows the IDF to anticipate threats, react proactively, and maintain an operational advantage in both conventional and unconventional warfare. By blending technology with human expertise, Israel ensures that its military is prepared for a spectrum of modern threats, from cyber attacks to terrorism, giving it a strategic edge few nations can match. Israel's defense culture is unique and contributes significantly to its military effectiveness. National service fosters a shared sense of duty, responsibility, and resilience. From young soldiers to reservists, the population is engaged in defense planning, training, and readiness. This societal involvement creates a military that is not only professional, but also deeply connected to the nation it protects. Decision-making emphasizes accountability and innovation, allowing for quick adaptation to emerging threats. Lessons from past conflicts are studied rigorously, ensuring that mistakes are not repeated. Cooperation between military branches enhances effectiveness as joint exercises, simulations, and real-world operations foster seamless coordination. Israel's military culture also values initiative, with junior officers often empowered to make operational decisions in high-pressure scenarios. Morale, discipline, and psychological resilience are reinforced continuously, ensuring that personnel remain effective even in extreme conditions. This culture of preparedness, responsibility, and innovation transforms the IDF from a conventional army into a highly adaptive force capable of tackling modern challenges. The combination of societal involvement, leadership cultivation, and operational discipline makes Israel's military not just strong, but strategically superior, ensuring its continued dominance in regional security and global military discussions. Finally, international cooperation and continuous innovation cement Israel's military reputation. Israel frequently engages in joint exercises with allied nations, sharing tactics, technology, and expertise. This global collaboration ensures that the IDF remains aware of evolving threats and best practices worldwide. The defense industry constantly develops new technologies, from AI-enhanced drones to next-generation missile systems, which are tested and integrated into real-world operations. Lessons learned on the battlefield feed back into research, training, and doctrine, creating a continuous improvement cycle. Israel also adapts quickly to unconventional warfare tactics used by adversaries, maintaining a proactive rather than reactive posture. From intelligence gathering to cyber operations, every aspect of Israel's defense strategy is designed for efficiency, precision, and sustainability. This combination of innovation, global cooperation, and operational experience ensures that the IDF remains ahead of potential threats. In essence, Israel's military is considered the world's best not because of sheer size or budget, but because of its integration of strategy, technology, training, and culture. It's a military designed to think, adapt, and act faster than almost any other force in the world. The IDF exemplifies how a small nation can achieve formidable security, projecting power effectively while defending its people with unmatched efficiency. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth military analysis from around the world. Share your thoughts in the comments. What aspect of Israel's military do you find most impressive?